Hello everybody, today I will be sharing a quick makeup tutorial for your kurti looks. You can easily create this makeup and look so beautiful in your kurti looks. So I am applying primer and then I am going on with concealer. As you can see, I am applying it and blending it. I did my skincare off camera, so make sure you do your skincare and then only start your makeup. I am not using any kind of foundation here, only concealer. But if you want to apply foundation, you can easily go with it. I thought to keep this look very simple, that's why I'm not applying it. So after applying concealer and blending it properly, I'm going on with Blue Heaven's Flawless Finishing Loose Powder and applying it all over my face to set the base. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go forward and subscribe it. It means a lot for me, and like this video. Anyway, let's come back to the makeup. So for this makeup, I'm not going to use any eyeshadow palette. As you can see here, I'm taking my blush and applying it as eyeshadow and blending it nicely. It is not important to use pink color for your eyeshadow. Because I'm wearing a black kurti, I thought pink will look good. You are free to decide eye color based on your outfit. And make sure you apply eyeshadow on your lower lash line also. It will create a very nice look. And then I'm using Inside Cream highlighter. Just a tip here, if you are applying this with your fingers, you will achieve a very nice and subtle look. And then we are wearing kurti, and how can we forget kajal? So I'm applying kajal and then going on with some blush and applying it. And please don't let your blush blindness destroy this makeup, because we want to keep a subtle blush look for this subtle and natural makeup. And going forward with my eyebrows, so first I am brushing my eyebrows with eyebrow comb, and then I am using Swiss Beauty's eyebrow palette, taking brown and grey shade and mixing it and applying it on my eyebrows. And make sure you don't overdo your eyebrows, and after you are done with eyebrow filling, make sure to comb it again and then apply any of your favorite nude lipstick. I am applying nude pink lipstick here because I love this shade, and then going on with eyeliner for that bold eye look. I did not draw wing here. If you want to, you are free to do that. And then applying Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara for that natural eye look. And that's it. We are done with the makeup. Can you see how beautiful this makeup looks? I am loving this makeup, and I'm sure you too are loving this. It was so easy to create. We actually did this makeup with just few products, minimal products, and this look, oh my god, I'm just loving it. You can easily create it for your any functions or daily wears or office look or college look, and you will love this makeup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any video suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments. I will surely try to create video on that topic. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I will see you soon in my next video. Sorry guys, I forgot to add bindi in that look, so I am again sharing this clip with bindi. You can easily pair it with bindi or without bindi as you like, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.